In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default company in ERPNext. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to customize your ERPNext experience further, setting a default company can significantly streamline your workflow. It ensures that you don't have to repeatedly select your preferred company every time you log in or make transactions. So, let's dive into the process and make it straightforward for you. First, you'll need to navigate to the settings. You can usually find this option within the main dashboard of your ERPNext account. It acts as the central hub for tailoring your ERPNext interface according to your business needs. Opening up the settings will give you a myriad of options that cater to all your customization desires. For our task, look for the section specifically called Session Defaults. This area is essentially where you configure the default settings that apply each time you enter the system. By setting defaults, you're establishing your preferences right from the start, making your subsequent interactions with ERPNext more seamless and efficient. Within the session defaults, you'll notice a field labeled Default Company. This is where you choose which of your companies you wish ERPNext to prioritize as the default one. This function is particularly useful if you're managing multiple companies or branches within the system. Instead of sorting through options each time, setting a default saves time and makes your processes that much smoother. Click on this field, and you'll see a list of companies that you've already entered into ERPNext. If you haven't added a company yet, you'll need to do this before proceeding with the default setting. Select the company that you'd like the system to default to, simply by clicking on the appropriate name from your list. Keep in mind that whatever company you select here will be the one ERPNext chooses first for transactions and reports unless you manually select a different one during a session. Once you've chosen your preferred default company, the final step is crucial. Remember to click Save. This ensures that all the preferences you've set are locked in and ready for use. Without saving, all previous selections will be lost, and you'll have to start over, which can be frustrating and a waste of time. The Save button essentially finalizes your selection and enables ERPNext to remember this setting, applying it every time you log in. And there you have it. You've now set a default company in ERPNext, simplifying your experience with more efficient navigation. This adjustment helps in reducing time spent on routine setups and allows you to focus more on your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your ERPNext usage more intuitive and tailored to your needs.